Hey, let's go for a walk.
Ryan, quit getting into trouble.
Yeah, I'm afraid it's only begun.
Ryan, what are you doing?
Helping Grandma.
Do you think you're helping Grandma?
No. I want to. No wonder my door is broken.
And this is you crawling into the dishwasher.
Could you get out of my dishwasher, you little peel?
Are you kidding me? This is how we give him baths now.
We'll just put you in. Look, you're all wet now. You goofball.
Come walk to me. Walk over to me.
There you
Yay! Good job. Okay, here, walk with Grandpa.
Here. We'll come
Walk with
quick, me.
Grandpa. Ryan.
I'm all pissed off now. Grandma took me out of the dishwasher.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.